ABC 7 business commentator Richard Stern joined just now. We have a kind of a pleasant change of pace, an up day on the market.
An up day, what do you think of that? And this close to a triple-digit gain. Not quite, but we almost got there. But it wasn't without a fight. The Dow Jones Industrial Average had an intraday range of almost 300 points today. We were down by 120 points at the low of the day. But alas, we finally saw some buying coming in, buying in bank stocks, buying in technology stocks, and by the time the day was over, we not only had triple digits at the high of the day, we almost got there at the close. Let's take a look and see the final numbers. That's pretty close to 100 points, I would say. 24,216.05, a gain of 98.46, 0.4% on volume of 882 million shares. The NASDAQ, which has been lagging the last few days, very strong today, up 0.8%, more than 58 points, 7,503.68 on heavy volume of 1,707 million shares. The S&P, an up arrow as well. The S&P for the day, up by 0.6%, not quite 17 points, at 2,716.31. Well, it was a very tough day for a couple of people in the pharmaceutical business. Walgreens and CVS. Walgreens stock fell by a whopping almost 10%. Shares of CVS down by 6%. And why? Well, there's a new sheriff in town. And that sheriff, yes indeed, Amazon. Amazon today announced it spent $1 billion in cash to buy a company called PillPack, which is, yes, an internet pharmacy. And of course, Amazon is all over that business. We've seen what they've done with Whole Foods and just about everything else. So there's no question that Walgreens losing 10% of its value in a day is a message. An awful lot of people think that Amazon not only knows what it's doing, but boy, with everything they've got going on now to get in the pharmacy business, the company they bought is licensed in 49 states, all but Hawaii. So they're ready to go.
Wow,
they're
really
big
taking
stuff.
over.
Absolutely.
Some news on BJ's Wholesale Club.
Yeah,
for us?
remember a couple weeks ago we talked about it come public? Well, it did come public at $17 a share, closed the day at $22, up 29% on day one. Not so bad.
All right, thank you, Richard.
You're very welcome.